Ever wondered how ethical hackers can find almost anyone online using just free tools? Today, I'll show you the top 15 OSINT tools professionals use to gather information from the open internet. This is for educational purposes only. Use these tools responsibly and legally. We'll break down what each tool does and how you can use them to understand your digital footprint and protect yourself. Let's dive into the first tool. First up is Maltego, the ultimate digital detective board, designed for anyone who needs to uncover hidden connections in the digital world. Maltego takes a single piece of information, like a name, email, or even a phone number, and visually maps out all the related data it can find online, pulling from a wide range of public sources and databases. You start with a transform, a powerful search that can look for domains, emails, social profiles, and more. As you run these transforms, you watch as the network of connections grows, revealing a complex web of relationships and digital footprints. The free version is surprisingly powerful and is trusted by law enforcement, investigative journalists, cybersecurity experts, and ethical hackers around the world for uncovering leads and piecing together digital puzzles. Its interactive graph lets you click on nodes, highlight relationships, and instantly spot hidden links that might otherwise go unnoticed, making complex investigations much more manageable. For anyone serious about digital investigations, Maltego is a must-have tool that turns chaos into clarity and helps you see the bigger picture. Next is the Harvester, a command line tool that scrapes public sources for emails, subdomains, and employee names from a target domain. Just give it a website and search engines, and it'll pull out emails, names, and subdomains in seconds. This info is gold for ethical hackers. Emails for phishing simulations, subdomains for finding hidden servers. The Harvester is fast, focused, and stealthy, using only public data. It's a mandatory first step for mapping out a target's people and infrastructure. Simple, effective, and essential. Meet Spiderfoot, the ultimate OSINT automation platform designed to make open-source intelligence gathering effortless and efficient. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, an ethical hacker, or just curious about digital footprints, Spiderfoot is your go-to tool for automating complex investigations. Simply give it a target, whether it's an IP address, domain, email, or username, and Spiderfoot instantly queries over 100 public data sources simultaneously, saving you hours of manual research and data collection. Spiderfoot uncovers a wealth of information, from breached credentials and exposed social media accounts to server vulnerabilities and digital footprints, all presented in a clean, intuitive web interface that's easy to navigate. It takes care of the repetitive, time-consuming work, allowing you to focus on deeper analysis, pattern recognition, and drawing actionable insights from the data. Want to know if an email address has appeared in a data breach? With just a few clicks, Spiderfoot checks and delivers results instantly, helping you stay ahead of potential threats. Need to uncover related domains, connected files, or hidden associations? Spiderfoot's powerful automation has you covered, revealing links you might otherwise miss. For anyone looking to streamline and supercharge their OSINT workflow, Spiderfoot stands out as an unbeatable solution, making intelligence gathering smarter and faster than ever before. Shodan is the search engine for every device connected to the internet: webcams, routers, servers, and more. It lets you find devices by type, location, or software version, revealing forgotten servers or misconfigured routers. Shodan provides banners with device info, software, and location. Even the free version is powerful for security assessments. It changes how you see the internet, not just websites, but billions of devices, many insecure. A must for any hacker's toolkit. ReconNG is your modular OSINT framework. Think Swiss Army knife for information gathering. Add modules for tasks like finding social profiles, emails, or DNS records. Create a workspace, add a target, and run modules in sequence. Each finding feeds the next. All data is saved for easy cross-referencing. It's command line based, but once you learn it, you'll conduct deep, organized investigations. ReconNG is the pro's choice for repeatable, powerful OSINT workflows, essential for serious investigations. Google Dorking is the art of using advanced search operators to find hidden info, sensitive documents, login pages, and more. Combine operators like cite, file type, inurl, and entitle to uncover data never meant to be public. The Google hacking database has thousands of these dorks ready to use. No special software needed, just smart searching. It's a reminder that human error is often the biggest vulnerability. Master Google dorking, and you'll find what others miss. Have I Been Pwned lets you check if your email or phone number has been in a data breach. Just enter your info, and it shows every breach you're in. It's a wake-up call. Old accounts and reused passwords put you at risk. For hackers, it's a goldmine for understanding password habits and finding leaked credentials. Always use unique passwords. This tool is critical for both personal security and professional investigations. Check yourself and your targets. Social Searcher is a search engine for social media. Monitor mentions of names, usernames, or keywords across dozens of networks in real time. Filter by network, sentiment, or content type to find what matters. Instantly build a snapshot of someone's public social media activity. For profiling people or companies, Social Searcher is fast and efficient. Creepy is a geolocation OSINT tool that maps a target's movements using public social media posts. It extracts GPS data from posts and photos, plotting locations on a map. Over time, you see patterns: home, work, favorite spots. It's a privacy wake-up call. Check your settings and metadata. For security pros, it demonstrates real-world risks of oversharing. Use responsibly. This tool is powerful and eye-opening. Focus scans websites for public documents and extracts hidden metadata, usernames, emails, software versions, and internal paths. Just give it a domain, and it finds and analyzes all available files. Metadata reveals clues about an organization's internal workings. Foca automates the process and organizes findings for easy analysis. It's a powerful way to map out a company using only public files. The OSINT framework is a web-based encyclopedia of OSINT tools and resources. It's a visual mind map. Click a category, and it shows you the best tools for the job. Need to investigate a username or email? The framework points you to the right resources instantly. It's constantly updated by the community. Save time and discover new tools. Bookmark this site. The OSINT framework is your starting point for any investigation. Sherlock is a command line tool that searches hundreds of sites for a specific username. Enter a username, and Sherlock finds every matching profile: LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and more. It's fast, effective, and reveals a person's entire online presence in minutes. Each profile adds to your understanding of the target. Sherlock automates what would take hours manually. Essential for social media intelligence. Twint is a powerful Twitter scraper that bypasses API limits. Collect tweets, followers, or search by keyword or location, all without an API key. Save data for analysis, monitor brand mentions, or map tweet locations. Twint is command line based and highly flexible. It's anonymous and scrapes at scale. For deep Twitter investigations, nothing beats Twint. Unlock the full potential of Twitter data. Metadata is another metadata extraction tool, perfect for automation. It searches Google for public documents on a domain, downloads them, and extracts usernames, software versions, and server paths. Generates a clean report for easy review, great for scripting and integrating into larger recon workflows. Metadata is a classic, reliable OSINT tool. Intelligence X is a search engine for leaked and hard-to-find data, dark web leaks, government docs, and more. Search by email, domain, IP, or crypto address to find exposed info. Discover pastes, credentials, and internal documents from breaches. The free version is powerful for deep dive investigations. Intelligence X indexes what Google won't. Always check it for serious OSINT work. You now have access to 15 powerful, completely free OSINT tools. Each one a unique key to unlocking the hidden layers of the internet. These tools can truly transform how you see the online world, revealing connections and information you never knew existed. With them, you can map out relationships between people and organizations, uncover data leaks, and analyze digital footprints, always using your new skills responsibly and ethically. Use these resources to protect your own privacy, strengthen your digital security, and understand just how much of your information is exposed online. Try running these tools on your own accounts and profiles to see exactly what information about you is publicly available and take steps to secure it. If you found this guide helpful or learned something new, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more practical, ethical hacking tips and digital safety advice. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below which OSINT tool you're most excited to try out, or if you have any favorites to recommend. Remember, stay safe online, keep exploring, and always stay curious about the digital world around you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.